Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So yesterday we have discussed regarding number systems. So different types of number systems and what are the basis of those number systems. And we started with a decimal to binary conversion. Next we need to start now decimal to octal conversion. So everyone written a side heading in your notes, decimal to octal conversion. So in this decimal to octal conversion, let me take an example so that you can understand. Let me take an example. Decimal number 16.399 decimal to octal. So in this case, procedure will be same even for decimal, octal, and hexadecimal. For integer part, you need to do division, and fractional part need to do multiplication. So let me go for this is equal. We need to convert now to octal, not a binary. So it is an octal. So for this, so you must what number with which number we need to divide?
8.
Yes, 8. So you will get what? What is the final number that you will get for 16?
210.
20 is for integer part. Now let me go for fractional part. So in a fractional part, so we have to multiply with the targeted one, which is 8. So what we will get, ma? What we will get?
3 point
Anyone?
something. 3
3,
point
3 point.
192.
Yes, okay. 3.192. Okay. Next, 0.192 into 8 equals to
1.536.
0.
1.536.
1.536. Next, 0.536 into 8 equals to
4 point
4.288.
4.288. Next, 0.288 into 8 equals to
1 point
2.30.
1 point or 2 point. Which one is correct?
2 point 2 point
2.304.
2.304. So what is from top to bottom we have to calculate, and what is a number that for a decimal number 0.399, it is 3, 1, 4 and 2. In your while calculating you have to specify like this, ma. So this is 3, 1, 4, 2. So 3, 1, 4, 2. Finally decimal equivalent of 16.399 is equals to 20.3142 of octal base 8. Okay. So let me go for another example for converting which number. The other one is in a single point we are having three conversions. One is decimal to binary. Yesterday we covered. Now we covered decimal to octal. Next is what? Decimal to
level to hexadecimal.
decimal to
Hexadecimal.
hexadecimal. So decimal to hexadecimal. Uh, Let me take an example. Uh, 989.222. Note down in your notes. Base 10 to hexadecimal 16. Is it hexadecimal base is 16 or 8?
16.
16. Okay. So now
Ma'am,
I
is
have
that
to go.
triple two?
Yes, point triple two. So a 989, we have to do what? Division with which number?
16.
16. Tell. So 6 1, you will get reminder as anyone.
13, madam.
No.
13.
Mm. Next 16 3 reminder 13. So you have to take the value from bottom to top. Procedure is same. If you know one, you can do easily the other problems. So it is 3, and let me write 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Equivalent symbols for 10 it is A,
A, B, C.
11 it is
3
B,
C C.
C, D, E, and
C.
F. Okay,
3
so
D D.
13 means what I have to write? 3,
D D.
D, and D. Okay, this is the equivalent number for 989 decimal to equivalent number decimal is 3DD. Now coming to, you note down this side of this, how you are getting this D value. You note down in your notes 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 equivalent symbols A, B, C, D, E, F. Again, while calculating here also we will get the number, so that by seeing that you can tell what symbol is that. So next coming to 0.222 into which? Into
16.
16 equals to
3.552.
3.552. Next 0.552 into 16 equals to
8.832.
8.832. Next 0.832 into 16 equals to
13.312.
13.312. Next 0.312 into 16 equals to
4.992.
4.992. Tell me the result. 3, 8, 13 equivalent symbol
D.
D, 4. So finally the equivalent number is 3DD.38D4 is the answer. Okay. So let me go for the other conversions. Next point is what in your notes anyone written can say me. First is completed decimal to other conversions, all three completed. Decimal to binary, decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal. Next point is what? Anyone written in your notes?
Octal to other number.
Decimal, ma'am.
Binary
To
to
decimal.
Binary to
Let me show.
Other to decimal or binary.
This shows.
Other to decimal.
Yes, correct answer. In the first point, completed decimal number system to others. All 3 points completed. Next is other number systems to decimal. So in other number systems to decimal. So this is one more example for converting octal to decimal to octal conversion. And in this here it is not mentioned fractional part. So in this it is mentioned fractional part. So arrow marks is compulsory while giving you, and I noted maximum of the students written yesterday's assignment, but arrow marks not mentioned, some of the students, not all. So decimal to hexadecimal conversion, these are some more examples. I will share once number system completed, I will share these PPTs. Next, other number systems means binary, octal, hexadecimal conversion to decimal. So this is an example. Before that, let me see. So this is the easiest method for converting a binary number to its decimal. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is one of the easiest method to use a multiplication algorithm. So multiply the binary digit by increasing powers of 2. So here, let me show an example. This is an example that I have considered. You will be given in the question as a binary number system, and this is the number system, that is 10101101. This you have to convert to decimal. So for that, definitely whatever the number systems that we are studying is position. These are weighted. Positions are very important. So instead of this, if you change these positions, then definitely the calculated value will be changed. So in this here, it is it will start from 0. It will be, we are starting from right side onwards. So 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, like that you have to calculate. So once if it is 1, definitely you will be calculated 2 power 7, so it will be 128. Let me show with an example so that you can understand clearly. Let me take an example. The example that I want to take is binary number system. Means definitely everyone knows that there are only two symbols, zeros and one. So 1101. And I also want to include a fractional part. Again, I don't want to take another class for explaining this. Base 2 is equals to what? Our target will be decimal. Okay.
10.
So this is your question. So in this integer part, you have to start from right side. So this is, everyone knows about what is LSB and what is MSB. This is very important in DLD. Let us take, I'm considering this as an integer part. So integer part 11101 is your integer part. Okay. So this is your most significant. MSB is, let me write MSB. So this is your most significant bit. This is your least significant bit. So this one is LSB, least significant bit. Okay. So means what? We will start the power increasing to power increasing from least significant bit. Maximum of the students will do 2 power 0, like that from this side. You should start from LSB part. Whereas in integer, whereas in fractional part, you have to start from this left side onwards, right? So here, let me consider. So try to write here itself 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. It will be easy for you. I know that maximum knows, but I need to concentrate for the entire class. So let me start simply without giving any powers. I am writing as it is. 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 2 ones over. One more one is there. 1 into 2 plus 111. After that 0 into 2 plus 1 into 2. Okay. And after that I will start writing my powers. Okay. As I have to start from LSB part, I will start writing. It is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Now tell me 2 power 4. It is 16. 1 into, definitely you will get 16 plus
8
plus
4.
4 plus 0 into something, definitely will be 0 plus 1. This is the value that you are calculating for integer part. So plus, continue here, as I have no place, so try to continue. Plus 1 into 2 plus 1. I'm not writing powers. First try to concentrate. In this way only you have to write. So in this I have to start from left side. In this I have to start from here. So 2 power minus 1, 2 power minus 2. So what value you will get? 1 into 2 power minus 1?
My 0.5.
0.5. 0.5 plus
0.25.
0.25. So add all this. Plus 1 plus 0.5 plus 0.25. What will be the result?
29.75. 29.75.
29.75. So this is your answer. So fractional parts, you have to go for a negative numbers, and don't confuse. If you are in the power place, instead of 4, if you are writing 5, the entire calculation will be wrong. So why, even if you know the concept, while doing, you try to concentrate. Don't write powers initially, just write the number into 2, and start from the right side onwards. Give the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, for fractional part, right from left, start from this side, left side. This will be for all, for binary to decimal, for octal to decimal, for hexadecimal to decimal. If you know one concept clearly, then everything, every other conversions will be easy. Okay, now just a minute, I will go for a polling. Just I will give only 5 minutes time. Open that and give responses. See, I'm showing the responses also here. Yes, I got one response from roll number G5. Why all are active means here I have to get within 5 minutes more maximum of the responses. This will be calculated as attendance, and I will not consider even if you are present. Compulsory, this will be considered as attendance. Just I will wait for more 5 minutes, then I will close.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm trying to submit, but it's
must be a
saying
number.
it must be a number, ma'am.
What binary? Yeah, is it showing as number? Okay, if
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
saying as number just for attendance, no, I don't want an answer. Just whether you're active or
And
not, just enter any number and submit. I want responses.
ma'am, we can simply enter 011.
Yes, ma. Yes,
It is.
yes. That's
It's
name
not
and
taking
I
share.
the
just.
words.
Okay, ma. Okay, if it is not taking words, enter number and share. I will not see answers. I am saying the main is this for responses.
Okay, ma'am. I shared it now. If there is a space also, it is not taking.
Right as 01.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, someone's. Don't try to inform to your friends that polling is there. You join and you try to complete. Yes, enough. I am stopping. Has everyone completed? Hmm. So where are we, ma'am? Conversion of
Binary to
Binary to decimal. Complete.
binary to decimal completed. Next we will go for binary to octal. Next we will go for
Madam, your voice it is
low.
breaking, ma'am.
Is it breaking? Just a minute. Just wait. I will connect to my. Now let me go for octal to decimal. So daily in the middle at whatever time I feel, I will share the link and it will be activated only for 5 minutes.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, let me take a example of octal number system. 677.43. Note down in your notes. 677.43 octal. So what is our target? Which to which the
decimal.
number system? It is decimal. So we need to convert. So what is the process here? The same process here. We are having octal, so we need to multiply with octal. So what you will get? 6 into just before only I said that don't write powers before only, just write 6 into 8, 7 into 8 plus 7 into 8 plus the fractional part, it has to start from left side. 4 into 8 plus 3 into 8. Okay, now you have to concentrate. So here is a 7, so here you have to write, it has to start from 0, 0, 1, 2, and fractional part it has to start from left side. So here it is minus 1, minus 2. In this way you have to write. Don't write initially powers. Next, tell me the calculation. 8 in 6 into 8 part 2. What is the value that we will get?
I'm calculating.
384, ma'am.
384.
Yes, 384. 384 plus
56.
56 plus
Mummy,
7. Hello. 56 plus 7 plus. What is this value?
Ma'am, 447.54 total.
0.5. 0.5.
And
0.5.
0.5 plus
0.04.
0.046. Finally, we will get as 447.546. 546. Yes, 10. So this is your conversion of octal to decimal. So I will give hexadecimal. I have to explain definitely. Then only you knows why. Because in hexadecimal, whenever you are representing numbers 14, 15, maximum of the students will not represent that in symbols. That is the main problem. So let me go for an example of conversion of hexadecimal to decimal. So conversion of hexadecimal to decimal. I will take one more example. So E, you will get definitely symbols. While taking symbols, what you will do is you will start at you will see the time, and you without you will not take the exact number. In this, you try to write side numbers 10 to 15 and give the symbols, then it will be, you will not do any mistakes. So 3 4 A, this is your number, note down. EF12 dot, what is this? 34A base 16, you need to convert to decimal number system 10. So for this, it is the same process. For this, you have to do what? You have to do division with which number?
16.
16. You have to do
16.
division or multiplication?
Multiplication.
Yes, multiplication. E into 16. Don't give powers directly. Plus, you write the number as it is. F into 16. Meanwhile, if you know, you can note down and you can calculate. Plus 1 into 16 plus 2 into 16. After integer part overs, let me give a powers. It is 0, 1, 2, 3. Next is fractional part. So fractional part, again we have to add plus 3 into 16 plus 4 into 16 plus a into 16. What is the power here? For 3 into
-1,
16,
-2,
power
-2.
minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now tell me what is E value?
If 14.
Yes, I want from all. E value.
14, ma'am.
F.
14.
F. Actually, in the next step, you have to write again 14 into 16 power 3 plus F 15 into.
15.
I am not writing here, but note down in your notes. And here, one more we have A. A is 10. If you calculate, tell me what is the final answer? Take calculator.
61,212, ma'am.
61,000 to 12.
12.
Which is correct?
61202, ma'am.
61,202.
61202.
02. Okay. Next in fractional part. Fractional part.
Two zero three, ma'am. 0.203.
0.203. Is everyone getting the same answer?
0.2045, ma'am. 2045.
2045. Which one is correct? The previous one or this one?
0.2055, madam.
What ma? These many answers, huh?
205.
204, ma'am.
ఒకసారి క్రాస్ వెరిఫై చేసుకుని నాకు ఫైనల్ ఆన్సర్ చెప్పండి.
2045, ma'am.
2045.
204.
2045 only, ma'am.
Okay. 2045. So this is the way how to convert your hexadecimal to decimal. Okay. Now let me go for the other conversions. So today assignment problems will be no more ma. Try to note down in your notes. So here, see in this example, it is mentioned it has started powers from right side from LSB part. So to, 1 into 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2 until this. So whenever there is a 0, it is not calculated. So whenever there is a 1, it will be calculated. So finally, this is your result of converting binary to hexadecimal. Next, coming to Octal to hexadecimal, same. So we have to go for decimal. This is your octal to decimal conversion, but maximum of the cases for external exams and for mid exams, you will have a fractional part also. It is a simple example where given as 256, but it will be having 256.1236. You have to convert that. Okay, so this is your result. Definitely it has to start from LSB part, 8 part 0, 8 part 1, 8 part 2. Finally you will get the result. So coming to hexadecimal representation, in hexadecimal representation, this is a number that you have given, that maximum of the students will have a problem in this while giving b value. They will mention some other digit, and they will calculate. So don't do like that. Side, you try to mention the numbers and symbols, and based on that you try to keep the equivalent number and calculate. So this is a final number of converting the hexadecimal number 3B4F16 to its equivalent decimal number, that is 15,183. Okay, next is binary to other number systems. Note down, write down side heading, binary to other number system. So see here, first of all, binary to other number systems. This is also most frequently asked question, and maximum of the students will face a problem. So let me see, can be converted by grouping the binary bits in group of three starting from LSB. Now everyone knows what is LSB and what is MSB, right? What is LSB?
Lowest stated byte or
Least significant bit. MSB is most significant bit. The weighted will be high for MSB, and weighted will be low in LSB. So it will if just now I shown. So see here, let me show. So here in this 1011, see my cursor position ma, in this 1011, this position is MSB part and this position is LSB part. From next time onwards I will not say as start calculating from right side, start calculating from left side. We have to discuss this in a digital way only. So you have to start from LSB, means it has to start from right side. MSB means as usual left side, as everyone is commonly used one is from left side. Okay, so next class we will discuss about how to convert binary to octal conversion. Okay, I will end the session.